Hey guys, welcome. It's Richard Butler, everybody's favorite Irish guy, who likes to give honest reviews of products that he feels are of good quality. Now, tomorrow, and probably in less than 24 hours' time, there is a new WordPress plugin that is launching, and it's called WPClone. Now, by the time you're watching this video, you've already seen that it's launched. But you can check out the link just in the chat or the link in the description, which will bring you to the pre-sales page where you can sign up for notification and get it at its cheapest price. So let's talk about what WPClone actually does. Well, here's the big thing. You have a WordPress website, and perhaps you want to take it and put it on another server, or you want to make an exact copy of that WordPress website. Because you see, what happens is that sometimes, well, let's talk about the worst case scenario. Your website crashes and you don't have a backup. Even if you do have a backup, you might have to go to your web host and they'll have to deback it up or unback it up or reback it up or whatever the word is. But if you had a clone, you could just upload that clone and your site would be perfect. So that's case number one for security reasons. Or if your site gets hacked, you could actually have a clean version and then upload it. So reason number one. Reason number two is that, and this is the key, if you're a small business, I think that you could easily use this for providing small businesses with duplicate sites. So for example, restaurants, you could create one master site and you could duplicate that and make changes to it for each of the different restaurants. Now, what I don't mean that you're going to be using exactly the same site. What I'm saying is that you create one website where you have all the plugins, you have all of the updates that you need installed, and then you clone that for the next site, and then you can change the theme, etc. And what WPClone does is it does that. It actually makes a complete copy of your website that you can actually install on another website. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to upload the plugin first of all. Then you need to run the cloning process. That will give you a file. You download that file, and then you set up a basic WordPress site on the other host or the other domain. And then what you do is you install the plugin and you upload the cloned file. And from there, you then unpack the clone file and your site will actually be cloned exactly the same. And I'm going to do a review later on today showing you how this is actually done. Check out the page. I really do think this is a great plugin. I think it works really well. I've tried it myself and I'm going to do a demo of it for you. But I really do think this is worth getting, and I think grab it now at the cheapest price. If you can get on the early bird waiting list, grab it, because this is going to be a massive time saver for you. There's a link to it in the chat. There's a link to it in the description. I'll see you guys very soon.